Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 52 Cliffside Drive on beautiful Canandaigua Lake.
This is a spectacular designer showcase condo in Bristol Harbor with great amenities.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. This is the ultimate designer showcase condo that has been updated to perfection with a modern and chic design. Featuring a designer kitchen with gorgeous soft-close craft-made cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting, a tile backsplash, a single basin sink, granite countertops with an expansive breakfast bar, and tile floors. Open to the living and dining area with beautiful bamboo floors, a stunning stone accent wall with a fireplace to create a relaxing ambiance, plus access to the balcony with modern shiplap and breathtaking Canandaigua Lake views. The first floor also features an updated powder room and modern staircase.
The excitement continues upstairs with 2 spacious bedroom suites with bamboo floors, 2 updated bathrooms and laundry, including this penthouse-style owner suite with a double closet, spa bathroom with a double vanity, heated floors and towel rack, and the tile shower, plus the private lounge balcony with elevated million-dollar views of Canandaigua Lake.
Enjoy the lake lifestyle. Bristol Harbor Village offers a clubhouse featuring living and gathering space with adjacent tennis courts. Elevators provide easy access to the private sand beach. Even dock your boat at the harbor. Situated on the west side of Canandaigua Lake, Bristol Harbor is minutes away from the city of Canandaigua.
Canandaigua is a great place to live.
There's always something fun to do, whether it's enjoying the many restaurants and shops, a concert at CMAC, or a stroll through Kershaw Park. Water activities are a blast on Canandaigua Lake.
In all seasons, this area has a lot to offer. Here we are at Bristol Mountain, a great place to ski, just minutes away from Canandaigua Lake. At the end of the day, life is sweet on Canandaigua Lake.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 52 Cliffside Drive on gorgeous Canandaigua Lake.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!